Hello guys, today I've got OPN Sound Swym Plus headphones and I'm going to show you how you can easily enter the pairing mode. To enter the pairing mode, you need to drop the connection with your phone. And what I mean by that, you can either turn off Bluetooth on your phone to enter the pairing mode on your headphones, or just disconnect them from your device. Of course, yeah, we can't enter the pairing mode manually. We need to have our connection dropped. And if you see that you can't enter the pairing mode and you know that you have no other devices connected, like you have no device connected, this is your, for example, first time pairing, you need to perform the factory reset by holding this button for 10 seconds. But yeah, generally speaking, to enter the pairing mode, you need to drop the connection of the previous device. Here info icon, disconnect, and now we are in the pairing mode. That's how it works. Bye!